Next one, hybrid pi capacitance. Hybrid pi capacitance. Okay. Now, hybrid pi model consists of four types of conductance. Sorry, hybrid pi conductance. Sorry, hybrid pi model consists of four types of conductance: GM, transconductance; G-Brassy, input conductance. It is called G-Brassy feedback conductance; GCE, output conductance. Okay, first GM, transconductance. It is the ratio of change in output current to change in input voltage. GM. Okay, previously we find out. Okay, then del IC by del VBB, that is equal to, okay, sorry, change of rate of change of IC by rate of change of VB, that is equal to del IC by del VBB. We know that IC is equal to I naught into e power VB by VT. If we differentiate this equation with respect to VBE, then I will get the as a I naught is constant, e power x plus e power x I will get into, again x we have to differentiate, then VB we have to differentiate with respect to VB in the sense 1 by VT. Then GM is equal to IC by VT. We already found. Okay. Next one, second one. This is a transconductor. Next, GB dash. GB dash is it is a reciprocal of input resistance. Okay, it is a reciprocal of input resistance. Okay, GB dash is equal to 1 by RB dash, that is equal to 1 by R pi. 1 by R pi. Okay, from this R pi is equal to, we know that. Okay, we know that we before that we discussed resistance. We find out R pi and R mu. R pi is equal to VT by IB, VT by IB. Then G dash is equal to 1 by R pi. Then G dash E is equal to IB by, okay, R pi is what is that? VT by IB. Then we get that 1 divided by IB by VT. VT will come on numerator. Then sorry, VT by IB. IB will come on the numerator. Then IB by VT. IB is the base current. VT is the thermal voltage. Okay, now at room temperature we know these values are okay. Okay, in place of IB, I can write as a IC by beta. Okay, I will write it here. Okay, this equation I can also write. Yeah, here I written for CE configuration. From here to here it is continuing. For CE configuration, beta is equal to IC by beta, IC by IB. From this IB is equal to what I can write, IC by beta. In place of IB, I can write that IC by beta. In the denominator already VT is there. This is about the G dash. G dash. Okay, next one. Or another way we can find. Another way also you can find it, but one way is this one. Okay, another way is G dash is equal to 1 by R pi. From the relation R pi and GM, we already find out R pi and GM. See here, the relation between R pi and GM. R pi and GM. Yeah, beta is equal to R pi into GM. From this relation, okay, beta is equal to R pi GM. From this R pi is equal to beta by GM. R pi is equal to beta by GM. Now, this equation we need to substitute here. Okay, 1 by R pi is equal to what it means? Okay, R pi plus beta by GM. Then I can write as GM by beta. GM by beta. This is equation 3. Now we know that GM is equal to IC by VT. IC by VT. Now in place of GM, we can write IC by VT. Then what we can get IC by VT by, okay, whole divided by beta. Then I can get as a G dash is equal to IC by beta into VT. Beta into VT. Now we know that beta current again also called as HFE. HFE. Then beta is equal to HFE. G dash is equal to IC by HFE into VT. Okay, here also I can write. Here also I can write. Okay, beta also called as forward current gain. Forward current gain. So beta is equal to HFE. Then G dash is equal to, okay, IC by HFE into VT. This is also, okay, like this you can write Either you can do this derivation or this one. That is your wish. Okay, any one you can write. G dash is the feedback conductance. G dash is the feedback conductance. Okay. Now, but to find the feedback conduction, consider open circuit at input side. Then IP is equal to 0 and replace the capacitor with open circuit. Now we already know that. Okay, which one? Okay, hybrid pi model. From hybrid pi model, this one I need to represent. See here. In hybrid pi model, this is a hybrid pi model. Capacitance we have to replace with open circuit. And input side is open circuit. Here IB current will be there. That IB current will be 0. These capacitance, listen carefully. These two capacitors are open circuit, and here IB is equal to 0. Now check it. I am getting IB is equal to 0. There is no capacitance here. When there is a no current in this one, if you see here, if any current can flow, the total current can flow in this direction. There is no current division. There is no current division. The total current can flow in this direction only, not here, because IB is equal to 0. Then what I can call it as this RB dash E and RB dash C. This is RB dash E. RB dash E. This is what I can call RB dash E. This is, I can call it as RB dash E. RB dash E and RB dash E, both are in series. Okay, and also capacitance we have to keep open circuit. Okay, then by making IB is equal to 0, RB dash E and RB dash E connected in series. To find VB dash E, I can write that the total, here, if you observe here, this VC, these all are in parallel, right? These all are in parallel. Then, the voltage, here, the voltage across here is, VCE, this is VCE here, VCE, this is like a voltage division rule, VCE into VB dash E we need to find out, then VB dash E is equal to, VB dash E is the voltage drop across RB dash E. Then what I can write? VB dash E is equal to VCE, total voltage into respective of resistance. Which resistance mark? This VB dash E is the voltage drop across RB dash E resistance by RB dash E plus RB dash E. From this VCE if you set this side, this is the input voltage. This is the input voltage by output voltage. Input voltage by output voltage. Then it is called as a reverse. Reverse voltage gain. HRE is equal to VB dash E by VCE. Then RB dash E. This is E now. RB dash E by RB dash E plus RB dash C. Now we know that. Yeah, here I written that is a reverse voltage here I written. Now from this HRE if you set this side, this RB dash C plus RB dash if you set this side, what we are going to HRE into RB dash C plus RB dash E, that is equal to RB dash E. Now from this HRE if you send this inside, and from here, here you can write HRE into RB dash C by RB dash C, that is equal to minus HRE into RB dash E plus RB dash E. From this RB dash E if you take common, 1 minus HRE. Now HRE, reverse voltage gain is very less, then we can neglect that one. HRE if you neglect, here HRE if you can neglect this HRE, neglect it. If you neglect it, this one RB dash E will come. Then HRE by RB dash E is equal to 1 by RB dash C. Therefore we know that this is HRE by RB dash E. That is equal to 1 by RB dash C. 1 by RB dash C is nothing but which one not GB dash C. That is equal to GB dash C is equal to HRE by RB dash E. Now this one again. G dash is equal to HRE by RB dash E. Okay, R dash E plus R pi I can write. Okay, then HRE is equal to 1 by R pi is nothing but G B dash E. G B dash E. Okay, now we know that G B dash E value is what is that one? IC by beta into VT or IC by HFE into VT. Okay, G B dash E is, okay, this is a value. Then I can write it as a, okay, IC into HRE by HFE into VT. This is a feedback resistance. This is a feedback resistance. Okay, next, output conductance. To find GCE, consider open circuit at input side and replace capacitor with open circuit. Yes, we replaced. Then HRE is equal to, from here, okay, we already know. HRE is equal to what I can write from here. HRE is equal to RB dash, this one if you send this side, RB dash E by RB dash E by RB dash E. Okay, from previous analysis. Okay, then HR is equal to RB dash E plus 1 by GB dash E I can write. RB dash E plus 1 by R GB dash E I can write. Then HR is equal to GB dash E by GB dash E. GB dash E by GB dash E. This is equation 2. Okay. Now GC is equal to, now GC is equal to, now GC is equal to, okay, we know that the equation is H naught E minus beta into GB dash E into HRE minus GB dash C. And G dash C. In this equation, we need to substitute. In this equation, we need to substitute. What is that for? HRE plus we need to substitute. If we substitute HRE plus G dash E will get cancelled. Then GC is equal to H naught E minus beta into G dash C minus G dash C. From these two G dash C's take common. Okay, we have to write 1 plus beta. Okay, we can write 1 plus beta. And we know that beta plus I can write as a, okay, 1 plus HFE. If HFE is greater than, far greater than 1, forward, okay, current gate, then neglect HFE is, HFE is, okay, is less than 1, then neglect it. Then GC is equal to H naught E minus G dash C. HOC into G dash C. Okay, this is about output conductance. This is about output conductance. Now here, very important question. Short circuit current gain for CE amplifier using hybrid pi model. Now, this is a hybrid pi model. In this hybrid pi model, okay, to find short circuit current gain, I need to assume, okay, three of the 4 steps are there, or 3 steps are there. We need to do assumption. First step is in between collector and emitter terminal, make, okay, short circuit. In between here, this is a collector terminal. This is a collector and the emitter terminal. We need to make a short circuit because this is a short circuit current gain. Okay, next one. Collector base junction is always reverse bias. So RB dash is very high value. Then neglect RB dash. Because RB dash is very high value. Then current through the RB dash is very small. Then neglect RB dash. Okay, in this one from here to, okay, here RB dash I need to neglect. Okay, next one. Third one. RC is parallel with the short circuit. So the current flowing through the RC is 0. Then neglect RC. See here. What I said? Here I made a short circuit. When it is a short circuit, the maximum current, because short circuit consists of minimum resistance path, then the current totally is going to flow through the short circuit only. Then RC, across the RC, there is no current flow. When across RC there is no current flow, what it means? There is no use. Then neglect this one. Means RCE we need to neglect and RB-C we need to neglect. Okay, these two are neglected because, okay, here in between collector and emitter we have to make it as a short circuit. Okay, this is about assumption. After assumptions we can get this equation. Okay, so this circuit diagram. These are modified circuit diagram. See here, RBB dash, RB dash E, CB dash E. Check it. CB dash E and CB dash E, and here only independent current source, so dependent current source, and short circuit. RCE and RB dash E are neglected. Now, this is a modified circuit. Now, due to the short circuit, the current source is delivered to the current should flow through the short circuit path. Yes, and okay, to find short circuit current again. Okay, now see here, due to short circuit current, the current source is deliver the current. Current should flow through the short circuit path. Here the current source is there. Okay, here this current source delivers the current. Okay, current through the short circuit path only. Through the short circuit path only. To find short circuit current again, I can write AIS because this short circuit current AIS is equal to I out. This is the I out. This is I out. Here it is I out divided by I in. Here it is I in. Okay, apply KVL. Sir, apply KCL at the output node. This is the output node. We need to find it. Now, if you observe this I out and okay, GM VB dash A. If you apply KCL at the output node here somewhere. Here, if you apply, okay, both are outgoing currents only. Both are outgoing currents only. Then we can write okay, I out plus GM VB dash is equal to 0. Then I out is equal to minus GM into VB dash. Okay, this is the I out from this circuit. Or else, if you observe here, I out and GM VB dash both are in opposite direction. Both are in opposite direction. Then I out is equal to minus GM into VB dash. That you can write. Now, I in I need to find because short circuit current AIS is equal to output current by input current. Output current we find out. Now, input current. For input current, if you observe here, J equivalent. Okay, I am taking impedance equivalent. Impedance equivalent. How I am going to take this RB dash E. Okay, C dash E and C pi. These three are in parallel. These three are in parallel. See here. Okay, this is I already said this is C pi and this is C mu. This is C mu. These three are in parallel. Yes. When it is a parallel, we will get R B dash E parallel of here. These two are in parallel. I can get 1 by j omega C pi plus C mu. Okay, when this is like these two. RB dash of this factor, both are in parallel, then I will get Z equivalent is equal to RB dash into 1 divided by, okay, J omega C pi plus C mu whole divided by RB dash plus 1 divided by J omega C pi plus C mu. Take LCM here in denominator. I am going to get this equation. This denominator value will get cancelled. Then Z equivalent is equal to RB dash by 1 plus J omega RB dash into C pi plus C mu. Okay, this is a circuit diagram. Okay, of Z equivalent. This is Z equivalent. I replaced, okay, in place of RB dash, C dash, and CB dash, I directly represented Z equivalent. Now, IN is equal to from here. IN is equal to VB dash by Z equivalent. From this, okay, IN equal to, okay, VB dash I can write directly Z equivalent. Z equivalent this equation. This equation you can substitute here. Of substituting this one, okay, VB dash this one will come in numerator and in denominator is RB dash. Now, short circuit current here, IN by I out. Now, IN is this value. Okay, IN value is this one. Okay, I out value. So, short circuit current again, I out by IN, right? What I said here, I out by IN. Sorry. Short circuit current again. So this is I out by I in. Then I out is minus GM into VB dash by this is I in. This RB dash if you go upside, okay, then I will get minus GM into RB dash by 1 plus okay JW into RB dash into C pi plus CB. This is the short circuit current here. Please keep in mind. This is the short circuit current here. Okay. Short circuit current here. Now, in place of okay, here W is equal to 2 pi f. Here omega is there. Sorry, not W. Omega is there. In place of omega, if you substitute 2 pi f, substitute the above formula, I will get minus GM into RB dash by 1 plus 2, 1 plus j into 2 pi of r dash e into c pi plus c mu. Let us assume, here I am going to assume f beta is equal to 1 by 2 pi r dash e. F beta is equal to 1 by 2 pi r b dash e. 1 by 2 pi r b dash e into c pi plus c mu. From this, if you send this side, okay, 2 pi into r b dash e into 2 c pi plus c mu is equal to 1 by f beta. You substitute equation 4 in equation 3. This is equation 3. In this one, you can substitute this equation. Then in place of f beta, okay, in place of, okay, f beta, what I can write now? AIS is equal to minus gm into r dash e 1 plus jf by f beta, because this is numerator, right? Denominator, right? Jf by f beta. Okay, to find the magnitude, I'll get Jm into R dash E by root of 1 square plus f by f beta whole square. F by f beta whole square. Okay, next one is, assume AS is equal to 1, then f will become ft. F will become ft. F will become ft. Then this 1 is equal to, I will get hfe by root of 1 plus ft by f beta whole square. Okay, this one you can set this side. Okay, square on both sides. What will get 1 plus ft by f beta whole square is equal to hfe square. If ft is far greater than fb, then neglect 1. ft by fb is far greater than ft by fb is far greater than 1. Okay, this is ft by fb also far greater, neglect it. Then ft by f beta whole square is approximately equal to hfe. Therefore, ft is equal to hfe into f beta. Ft is equal to beta into f beta into f beta. This is very, very important relation for 2 marks question. For 2 marks question, ft is equal to beta into fd. Beta into fd, where ft is the frequency which short circuit current gain is 1, or frequency at which, okay, which semiconductor gain is, okay, disabled is 0. Okay, f beta, sorry, frequency at which short circuit gain is decibel is 0. F beta is equal to 3 dB cutoff frequency, or 3 or beta cutoff frequency. HFE and beta is forward current gain forward current gain or DC current gain. DC current gain. This is about the short circuit current gain. But short circuit current gain up to where you have to write. If they ask only short circuit current gain, you can write up to here. You can write up to here. Short circuit current gain. Short circuit current gain IS is equal. Okay. Next one, one more small topic is it. Okay, in case of same question, no, same thing. If they ask resistive load is there, resistive load is there. Same thing. Find the same for resistive load. If RL is there, okay, resistive load in the sense, if RL is there, how we are going to find it? How we are going to find it? There is a question. Okay, I will draw a circuit diagram.